Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this awesome play tape that I got from my son. So as you can see, it looks like a little road, and it's great because it comes up really nicely. It's not a type of tape that's going to stick and ruin any type of surfaces. It reminds me more of like a painter's tape that peels up very nicely and re-sticks nicely as well. So when I tell you my toddler has had endless amounts of fun with this, I mean it. So he has loved driving his cars on it. He's also loved being a car himself and walking along it. And it's so cool that you can use it in so many different ways. You can create a circle that they can play around in, or you can create a straight line. You can do crisscrosses. You can help them to learn counting with it. It's just so cool that there is so many different ways you can use this, and it's such a cheap but efficient way of keeping your kid busy. Definitely a must in the winter months when we're having more inside play. So I definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.